Drones with cameras is one gadget that is constantly on top of people's wish list. And with today's technology and market, many of these drones are now very affordable and very easy to get your hands on. Here are some pretty cool drones with camera Amazon offers. You can tell how good this drone is going to be with how they have misspelled the word pocketable on the title screen of their promo video. But no matter, it's a ninja, so it's probably done on purpose in some sort of ninjutsu. This drone is at the moment rated 4 stars and it is priced at $55. The entire promo video is really well done in 3D CGI, but we don't see it flying in real life at all. But let's give them the benefit of the doubt and assume that it does fly. Sure looks good though. Then we have the SANROCK U52 Drone with 1080p HD camera. At the moment, the drone is rated 4.5 stars, which is impressive for drones of this price of around $50. Although the camera claims to be 1080p, the promo video says 720p, so no idea what's up with that. With emphasis on easy to fly, keeping this drone in the air shouldn't be all that hard though. Potensic T25 Drone with 2K camera is the priciest drone in today's list, selling at around $127 on Amazon. It is also the bravest of the bunch, having enough courage to be white while every other model nowadays is black or at least of a darker color scheme. But we digress. It boasts a 2K camera, which is also weird. We mostly hear drones camera being 1K or 4K. I'm sure it really works though and not just a typo. Well, one can hope, can we? This drone is rated 4 stars at the moment from over 3,000 ratings, so you can't really go wrong, right? Finally, we have the 4DRC V9 drone. At the moment, the drone is getting 4 stars in terms of overall review. It's out of stock at the moment but should come back on sales soon. Now of course, these are not all high-end drones like DJI and all that, so don't expect that sort of quality. But for the price, these drones are sure interesting and should be a safe bet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more entertaining gadget news and info. Thank you!